वेलकम बैक। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बहुत सीधा सीधा है। किस तरीके से एल्कीन को अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट किया जाए इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्कोनिकॉफ एंड एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ। पहले मैं क्वेश्चन लिखता हूँ। फर्स्ट अलाउ मी टू राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन दैट हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्रोपेन 1 ऑल टू propane 2 all. First of all, we will make their structure. Prop A 1 all to prop A 2 all 1 2 3. We have to come from this place, alcohol at first carbon to alcohol at second carbon. You can even convert this to halide. It can be halide also. Not an issue. Not an issue. But flow chart is very simple. Let us talk about it. We are simply warming up for Markovnikov rule. Let us talk about Markovnikov rule. First of all, we will dehydrate it in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid at 170 degree. This is beta elimination reaction. It will convert to alkene. It will convert to alkene. Water is eliminated. This water is eliminated. Now, this carbon has 3 hydrogen. This carbon of multiple bond has 1 hydrogen. This carbon of multiple bond has 2 hydrogen. So, which carbon has the least hydrogen? Second one. Now we add HBr. Now, which is the poorest carbon? Second one. B stands for bromine. In other words, गरीब की लुगाई सबकी भौजाई, मतलब जो सबसे पुअर है उसी पे ब्रोमीन जाएगा. Which is the least carbon which has least hydrogen? That is second one. So bromine, bhojai, B for bromine, B for bhojai will go on second carbon. So it will convert to CH3, CHBr, and this bond cleaved. One bond has cleaved out of 2 bonds. Now, in this case, now you can write aqueous KOH and heat, which is SN reaction. K with Br is eliminated, and this converts to CH3, CHOH, CH3. Further, if you want to convert to halide, you can add PCl5, giving CH3, CHCl, CH3 with elimination of POCl3 and HCl. You can see it. Now another video is about anti-Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov was one unsymmetric alkene converted to secondary carbon. That is, propane 1-ol changes to propane 2-ol, or chloropropane changes to 2-chloropropane. Now the second one in the line, Markovnikov, the inverse of Markovnikov is called anti-Markovnikov. So anti-Markovnikov rule, or it is also called free radical substitution reaction. In this, let us talk about CH3 CHOH changing to CH3 CH2 CH2OH. This is secondary alcohol which is changing to primary alcohol. It is just reverse of Markovnikov, which is also called Saitchev rule. So first you do dehydration, that is beta elimination, concentrate sulfuric acid at 170 degree. Water is eliminated, so it changes to alkene. Now you add HBr, hydrogen bromide, in presence of benzoyl peroxide. It is also called peroxide effect. And for the record, it is free radical addition reaction. For the record, it is free radical addition reaction. Why addition? Because the multiple bond will cleave. Free radical, peroxide generates bromine free radical which forms secondary free radical which is more stable. So let us see. So this bromine in this case it goes here. CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Now you need to bring alcohol group here. So you can write aqueous KOH and boil which is SN reaction. So this comes to KBr is eliminated and OH group attaches to primary carbon that is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. In case you need to convert this to halide, you can write PCl5. Thank you.